In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go offline in Steam. If you want to play single-player games without interruptions, save bandwidth, or simply keep your status hidden while you focus, offline mode is a quick and reliable way to do it. I'll walk you through the process and share a few helpful tips so everything works smoothly once you're offline. Start by opening the Steam client on your PC or Mac. Make sure you're logged into your account. You do need to be connected to the internet at this stage, because Steam uses that connection to verify your credentials and check for updates. This is important, since updates are what often determine whether a game will launch while you're offline later. With the client open, look to the very top left corner and click the Steam menu. From that drop-down, select Go Offline. Steam may show a notice explaining what offline mode does and may ask you to confirm. Go ahead and proceed, and Steam will switch into offline mode. You'll see a clear indicator that you're offline, and you won't appear online to friends. Network features are paused, the store and community sections won't load, and online multiplayer will be unavailable. From here, you can launch games that support offline play. Keep in mind, only titles that support offline mode and are fully updated will start successfully. If a game was mid-update or requires a first-time online setup, it might not open until those tasks are completed while you're connected. A good practice is to let any pending downloads and updates finish before going offline, especially for games you plan to play right away. Cloud features are also limited in offline mode. Your local saves will continue to work, but cloud saves and some achievements may not sync until you reconnect. That's normal. Once you go back online, Steam will catch up and sync your progress. If you're preparing for a trip or know you'll be without internet, it's a smart idea to briefly launch each game you plan to play while you're still online, just to confirm it runs and has all the files it needs. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.